This is how to play Kamuna le Kamuna by Keke. The original key of the song is the key of D sharp. Okay, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to play this song using the key of D sharp, C sharp, and also the key of G sharp as well. Okay, without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. I'm gonna start first by playing this song to you guys, and then I'll break it down after. So it's a very simple song. Without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. It says Kamuna li Kamuna Chwalo Kaliwatli, and then you repeat the same thing. Lerato la modi montateli repotile. Okay, so it's a very simple chord progression. So let's break it down on the key of D sharp. Okay, so on the key of D sharp, it starts right here on this chord. Please pause the video and watch the chord closely. Okay, it starts here. This is D sharp major chord, also known as our number 1 on the major scale of the key of D sharp. All right, so from here you go to 4. This is our number 4 on the major scale of the key of D sharp. It is known as a G sharp major chord. Okay, it's known as a G sharp major chord. From 4 it goes to 5. This is 5. This is A sharp major chord. On the major scale of the key of D sharp, it is known as number 5. From 5 it goes back to 1. And then our chord progression is done. Okay, so you're gonna repeat the same thing over and over. It's 1, 4, 5, and then 1. So on the left, you wanna play the same thing. You wanna play 1, 4, 5, 1. It's quite easy, right? So let's play it. Kamuna li Kamuna Chwalo Kaliwatli Lerato la modi montateli repotile. Okay, if it sounds too plain for you, you can add this chord. This is E sharp minor chord. You can call it an F minor chord. Okay, this is an F minor chord, also known as our number 2 on the major scale of the key of D sharp. It's 2. Okay, so this is how we're gonna add it. You're gonna play 1, 4, and then 2, 5, 1. Again, 1, 4, 2, 5, 1. Okay, let's play it with a beat. And so you're gonna go to another key, which is the key of C sharp. Okay, so it starts right here on the key of C sharp. Remember the progression is 1, 4, 2. It's 1, 4, 2, 5, 1. Okay, so you're gonna play the same chord progression also on the key of C sharp. So on the key of C sharp, it starts right here. From here it goes to 4. This is 4. From 4 it goes to 5. This is 5. From 5 it goes to back to 1. Okay, but these are inversions. Okay, this is the first inversion, and then this on number 4, this is the second inversion. On number 5, this is also a second inversion, and then it goes back to 1. I said if you want to know these things, just send me WhatsApp. It's my WhatsApp number up there. The price is 1,500 and it's a one-time payment. All right, so it's 1, and then it's 4, and then if you move your thumb from C sharp to D sharp, you get our number 2, which is a D sharp minor chord. Remember, on the key of D sharp, it was like this. It was an F minor chord, but on the key of C sharp, it is now a D sharp minor chord. Okay, let's start again. It's 1, 4, 2, 5, 1, and then you repeat the same thing. 1, 5, 4, 2, and then 5, 1. On the left, it's 1, and then 4, 2, 5. You do the same thing. 1. Okay. 1, 4, 2, 5. Kamuna li kamuna. All right. Let's play. Right? So we're gonna move to the key of G sharp. This is the key of G sharp. So on the key of G sharp, it starts right here on our number 1, G sharp major chord. From here, it goes to 4. Always remember your major scale. Okay, this is the major scale of the key of G sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, so meaning from here it goes here. Okay, this is our number 4 on the major scale of the key of G sharp, and it is known as a C sharp major chord. Okay, and then from here it's going here. From 4 it's going to 5. This is 5, and it's D sharp major chord. From 5 it goes back to 1. We forgot to add 2, so we're gonna start again. It's 1, and then it's 4. If you move your thumb from G sharp to A sharp, you're gonna get a minor chord, and this is a A sharp minor chord. It is our number 2 on the major scale of the key of G sharp, because we have 1 right here, and then we have 2 right here. Okay. Alright, and then it goes to 5, and then back to 1, and then you're gonna repeat the same thing. Bam. Okay, let's play it up there. It sounds too deep down here. It's 1. Kamuna li kamuna, jwalo kaliwatli, rato lamudi muntatili. So on the bass, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna play 1, 4, 2, 5, 1. Again. 1, 4, 2, 5. Okay. I hope you saw it, guys. You can play this with any key that you want. You can play it with the key of F sharp. Play it with F sharp, with any key that you want to play with. So we're gonna try it with the key of F sharp as well. Okay. So on the key of F sharp is gonna start here. Always remember your major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay. Remember we have 1, 4, 5, 1. We forgot 2. We're gonna add 2, 1, 4. Okay. If you move your thumb from F sharp to G sharp, you're gonna get a minor chord, and this minor chord is a G sharp minor chord. Okay, it's quite simple, right? It's 1, 4, 2, On the left, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna play 1, 4, 2, 5, 1, and then you repeat. Okay, I believe you learned something from this video, guys. Until we meet again, God bless you.